Yo, what's up, man?
Not much, you?
Not much. Just getting ready for the weekend.
Same.
Got any plans?
Oh, parties, errands, you know, gonna be a busy one.
And this is Harry Jarvis. We're from the Morning Chronicle. I wonder if we could come in for a minute.
Crossing the world in a weekend? Oh yeah, it's possible. There are 104 days of weekends every year, so you can use at least some of those days to go to some incredible places. Plus, you can check off a few more locales on your list of must-visit countries. Week-long trips are great, but you don't have to use up all your vacation days to check out a new spot, even one that's across the world.
Sounds pricey.
It doesn't have to be. Weekend trips are the perfect time to book less expensive last-minute deals. And you'll be amazed by how much you could save by making a few small changes, like cutting out takeout.
What?
In coffee shops for a few months.
Hey!
Just think of it as swapping the coffee and the takeout for, say, a pint in Munich. Okay, real talk. Even last-minute deals are going to cost more than a few cups of coffee. But if you make travel a priority, it's amazing how quickly the savings add up. Work out at home instead of at the gym for a year, and you'll save enough for an Alaskan cruise. 4 football game tickets equal 1 music festival pass. Ditch the cigarettes. Aside from your health, the money you'll save by skipping 2 packs a week will buy you a tent and camping supplies for your next adventure. Look within 14 days of your travel and be flexible about the destination for maximum savings. This isn't the time to be particular. Be open to many possible spots. Also consider off-peak tourist hotspots to save even more cash. I traveled to Bali during the rainy season and spent about half what I would have on flight and hotel during the high season. Was there rain? A little. But what there wasn't? Huge crowds. That means I had tons of World Heritage sites all to myself. Browse travel deal sites, sign up for last-minute travel emails, and get apps that offer departure city-specific deals.
Deal unlocked. So what? I'll fly to Munich, have 1 pint, and fly back?
No, no, no. Let me introduce you to the red-eye flight. You grab your bag, jump on the plane, and get a full night's sleep. Then you get your pint. Actually, maybe start with pastry first. I recommend the apple tart.
Can I have that? Come on, you took my lunch.
Better ask your coworker about that one. Let's focus here. You have a plane to catch. You see that work backpack? That can totally double as a weekend tote straight from the office. What should you pack? Well, if it's a basic trip, no extreme sports or crazy weather, here's what you'll need. First off, the clothes on your back. Wear something comfortable enough to travel in, but dressy enough to head straight out from the airport, like a pair of jeans, a tee and a light jacket or sweater, plus your favorite sneakers. Here's a packing list for a basic weekend trip with carry-on only.
Dude, do you live here now?
Actually, I'm headed off to Munich.
Oh. Prost. That's what they say, right? Okay.
You're all packed. Now let's talk about once you get on the plane. Skip the booze and opt for water instead. You're drinking when you arrive, remember? Wear your glasses on the plane instead of contacts. And don't forget your eye drops, because a red-eye flight doesn't have to mean red eyes. To make the plane more comfortable, throw in an inflatable travel pillow and headphones. Bring an eye mask if you're a light sleeper. Okay, so with limited time, it's all about hitting the ground running, or jetway walking at least. Have your passport ready and customs forms filled out, front and back. Sure, the trip was spontaneous, but where you stay shouldn't be. Reserve your hotel or hostel before takeoff. Arrange your ground transportation before you head out. Book a walking tour as your first activity so you can get a feel for the area, and then make your game plan. This is a little better than lying around all weekend, right? Okay, just a little.